Hey guys, what's up? This is Sam from Instinct Learning, and today I show you one of the most substantial and easy and helpful tricks when it comes to music theory, and this is what I call the 3-4-4-3 trick. And with this trick, you can build chords from any point, from any note. You do not have to memorize them, but only minor and major chords. So this trick goes as follows. Obviously, you have three parts to your chord. You have the root note, you have the first interval, and then you have the second interval. So that's 1, 2, 3 up from the root note, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up from the root note. So this is our chord, as you can see. It consists out of D sharp, G, and the root note C. So how did I find those notes? It's very simple. It's, as I said in the beginning, 3-4-4-3. So the semitone steps from the root note. So imagine you are on a Monopoly board, and this is how you count on the piano, basically. So you have your root note, then if you would count 3, that would go 1, 2, 3, going up to this note, to D sharp. And then from this point on, we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our minor chord. So let's do this from a different note, from any other note. Let's do it from D. D is our root. Then we go 1, 2, 3 to the F, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 to the A. And then we have our minor chord. And this goes from any note. Just remember that you have to count the black notes and the white notes. So now let's do the same thing with a major chord. And all what will change is one note, one button on the piano will change, and this is all. So let's do it from C. C is our root. Now we have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the E, and then 1, 2, 3 to the G. So as you can see, the only thing that changed right now is the middle part of the chord. So instead of 3 semitones, it's now 4 semitones. So it's just flipped, basically. So if you want to play the two different chords and modulate them to a minor chord, you would just have to change the middle note. Let's build a major chord from D. D is our root note. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4 to F sharp. Then we count 1, 2, 3 to A. And we have D major. So this is the most simple rule in music theory, in my opinion. It's 3-4-4-3. And with this you can build all your chords. More you really don't have to know. So with the mouse I'm going to show you again. 1 is the root note. If we want to build a minor chord, we go 3 steps up. 1, 2, 3. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our 3 notes that we need for the chord. And if we play them together, we have the chord. If we want to modulate that to a major chord, all we have to do is root note 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it goes like this. I hope this was comprehensive and easy to understand for you. I find it extremely helpful because like this you can also write chords very easily in a piano roll. So yeah, let's do this as well as a finisher. With this knowledge, you can very easily write a melody let's write something very simple, okay? C, then we go small second, small third, and then we go 1, 2 semitones up. So very, very simple. I'm gonna make that double as fast. So let's say we want to do minor chords out of all of this. 1, 2, 3. 1, sorry, messed that one up. One, 2, 3, 4. So now it's all minor chords. So for example, now what we could do is we can just modulate one of the middle ones up. So now we even have a little chord progression because it goes minor chord, major chord, because we modulated the middle part and pushed it up one semitone. So we end up with minor, minor, major, minor. And you can also go one octave up, for example. And you can just move them around, obviously, on the octave as well. So if you want to do that from a different note, you would do the same process, basically, with a different note. It's 3, 4, 4, 3. Obviously, this counts only for simple chords and simple minor or major chords, and not for every chord in existence. Obviously, there are chords that have 5 steps, and obviously you cannot do this like this, but a lot of chord progressions consist out of minor, major chords and are rather simple. And for those, you can use this trick, and it helped me a lot because you do not have to memorize a lot of chords. You just know how to build them from any point, and also kind of know how to play them from any point if you train a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this video helped you. If you liked it, then leave a like. If you didn't, of course, you can also let me know. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about this. I think it's quite easy, one of the most simple things to understand. And yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video or if you have any questions in the comment section below. Also head over to our website, www.instinct-learning.com. There's a lot of free tutorials on there, as well as some cool other products like presets, samples, etc. If you're interested in that stuff, head over to instinct-learning.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.